Good afternoon, and welcome to another edition of Out and About in Calaveras County with Tim and Lisa, and the showcasing of another new listing. Today we're in Arnold, California, in the Meadowmont Village subdivision on Fairway Drive with this nice chalet. Situated on 0.49 of an acre, we have 1,346 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, a sitting loft, and a single-car garage. Let's take a look. I hope you've enjoyed our coverage of the new listing on Fairway Drive. If you'd like more information or you'd like to see the property in person, please reach out to us. By the way, my name is Tim Utertees, and I sell real estate in Calaveras County with my wife, Lisa.